How to import reviews from Aliexpress to your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple, so let's just go ahead and get started. First you'll need to just visit your Shopify app store. So we're just going to click on apps, all recommended apps, and Shopify app store. Now we're just going to go to the top here and look up judge.me. And then from here, we simply have a few options. This is the main one, which is going to be for product reviews. It's not the one we want. We want to actually go for Judge Me, Ali Reviews Importer. You should be able to find it real quick. It's this one right here. And click on Install. Go ahead and click on Install one more time. So from here, what we want to do is basically just scroll down a little bit. This is the setup. You can just go through them if you want to. But I'm just going to scroll down. And you're going to find all the different Shopify products that you have here. Now, red is just a sample product that I have. It's not really a product. It's just acting like one. And we basically want to add the URL to the item that we want to import reviews from when it comes to AliExpress. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's say this is the product that I want to import reviews from. It's very simple. Just go to the link, click on it, copy it, and just go back to Shopify. From here, you simply just want to highlight or not highlight, just make sure you add it next to the product that you want. So in this case, red, and just paste in the URL in here and click on import. Here you have a few options. For example, if you want to translate to English automatically and also the number of reviews that you want to import. You can feel free to increase this as you like. And then I'm just going to turn this off and click on import reviews. Now, if you scroll down, we should be able to see that it is loading and it is going to be importing the reviews as we speak. So until that's done, we just want to do another step. Click on install judge.me. This is basically the main one, which is going to allow us to see the actual reviews on our site. So basically just go through the installation of Judge Me. It's very simple and easy to do. So no need to actually discuss how to do it in this video. All right, great. So I have just finished installing Judge Me, and reviews have imported 9 reviews at this point. So we can even see them in this section here. But instead of seeing it in here, we can just go ahead and go straight to our online store, view it, and go to our product. And we can actually see that the reviews are going to be imported. So just scroll down and you can actually see the reviews are all in here. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.